How to connect Supabase to n8n. Firstly, make sure that you have a project ready in Supabase. You can click on Start Your Project to start a new project. If you haven't already, then you need to create an account. You can continue the account with your GitHub or SSO. Then you will need an n8n instance. It could be either self-hosted or on n8n.io. The third thing you will need is the Supabase API URL and service role key. Go to your Supabase dashboard and select your project and go to project settings, copy your API key. Then log into your n8n and click on new workflow. Then add a new node HTTP request. In the HTTP request node, get or post patch depending on what you want to do. Then there, copy your URL. If you want, you can add a header section on the HTTP node. When all this is done, then click on Execute Node in n8n. You should be able to see your Supabase data returned in the output. That's all for today. Thank you.